Imagine your critical industrial equipment suddenly loses its touch, literally. That unresponsive screen or scratched-up display can grind productivity to a halt. But what if there was a simple, effective fix that didn't involve replacing the entire unit? This isn't just about a piece of plastic. It's about restoring vital functionality to your NS10 series devices. We're diving into the world of replacement protective films and touch panels designed specifically for the NS10 TV00B ECV2, NS10 TV00 TV01B ECV2, NS10 TV00BV2, NS10 TS00V1, NS10 TS00BV1, and NS10 TS01BV1 models. Now, these aren't your everyday smartphone screen protectors. These are precision-engineered components crucial for human-machine interface, or HMI, panels that often operate in demanding environments. Think factories, control rooms, or even specialized medical equipment where reliability and responsiveness are paramount. The protective film component is the first line of defense. It's designed to shield the underlying display from scratches, abrasions, dust, and even minor impacts that are common in industrial settings. A good film needs to be crystal clear, ensuring that all critical data and graphics are perfectly visible without distortion or glare. From initial impressions, this film feels robust, offering a reassuring layer of protection without compromising visual clarity. It's a small detail, but maintaining optical quality is absolutely essential for operators who rely on these screens for precise control and monitoring. Then there's the touch panel itself, the heart of the interaction. Over time, constant use can wear down the original touch surface, leading to frustrating unresponsiveness, ghost touches, or complete failure. Replacing just the touch panel can be a game changer, breathing new life into an otherwise perfectly functional display unit. The responsiveness of this replacement panel is surprisingly crisp. Every tap, swipe, and drag registers accurately and without lag, which is exactly what you need when precision matters. It feels remarkably close to the original factory performance, if not better, especially if the old panel was already showing signs of fatigue. Installation, while requiring a careful hand, seems straightforward for anyone with basic technical aptitude. The precise cut and fit for these specific NS10 models mean less fuss and a more secure attachment. It's a cost-effective solution compared to the significant expense of replacing an entire HMI unit, making it an incredibly smart investment for businesses looking to extend the lifespan of their existing infrastructure. Ultimately, these protective films and touch panels for the NS10 series are more than just spare parts. They are essential tools for maintaining operational efficiency and ensuring the longevity of critical equipment. They deliver on their promise of restoring functionality and protecting your investment, making them a truly valuable upgrade or repair component.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.